How to manage your favorite TV shows on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Now click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Scroll all the way down, click interests, and here we'll find it favorite TV shows. Click on it and just type any TV show you want here, and then you will find here this save icon. Just click on it and it will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.